What's up, YouTube? Want to welcome the protectors and preppers to the Protect and Prep Network. How y'all doing today? Want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. I'm over the 300 mark. The giveaway is going on, so get to that video and see about the rules and enter that giveaway. YouTube, I'm in a safe environment. No ammunition is going to be near the firearms, and I do not promote violence or the sale of firearms, YouTube. So, with that out the way, I'm here today to do my EDC rotation. Do you have a rotation? Do you need a rotation? Me personally, I do have a rotation that I EDC, firearms that I do EDC. Do I feel like I need a rotation? No. Why do I have firing rotation? Well, I have so many firearms, and I didn't buy them to be a trophy and just a piece to admire. I bought them to use them. They're tools, so they're supposed to get used. So that's pretty much why I got a EDC rotation, because I got so many that can be EDC. So I've been seeing a few creators doing their EDC rotation. The first one was Eyes and Ears Technical, and then New York Technical 33, he did his. And the last one I seen was EDC guy. He did his, so I was like, I might as well go and do mine. If you don't follow them guys, I'll put them down in the description so you can follow them also. So I got 6 in my rotation. 3 of them, you can bet 90% of the time one of the 3 is on me. And the other 3, I just kind of carry around just for them to, like what I like to call, get a little air, a little daylight. And I trust my life to all my carries. I've shot them. I've trained with them. Some more than others, but I trust my life with them. So the first one that's in my rotation is a Glock clone, the Ruger RXM. As you see, no mag, nothing in the chamber. And the reason this one don't get more carry time than it do is because I didn't realize I had a holster for this. And one thing I do as far as carrying, I always make sure I have a good, comfortable, reliable holster, which everybody should do. But yeah, RXM, very nice gun, nice shooter. Got the green dot up top. I'm not going too much into these guns just because you've probably seen them before, and it's probably 100 reviews on these guns. The RXM is a Glock 19 clone, and it holds 15 round mags and up of a 9mm double stack. It might be one of the most versatile firearms out there and got a module system chassis in it. So I'm not doing this in any order. I'm just showing you my rotation. Here's another firearm that's in my rotation. The Walther PDP F Series compact firearm. Same size as the Glock 19. Got the Hollison up top. Hollison up top. Red dot. No mag in the mag well. Nothing in the chamber. Now, the reason I don't carry this as much is because I don't have a designated holster for it. I got a universal holster that I did use for it for the week I did carry it. But I did order a holster, and hopefully it comes in soon. Ordered that back in April. And yeah, I'll tell you more about that once I get my hands on the holster and do a review on that holster for the Walther PDP F Series. I really like this gun. Feels good in the hand. Even though it's a compact, most compacts, even if you take that Ruger 19, like when you get a grip on it, your pinky is usually hanging off most compacts. But you see I got a full grip on here. Compare the Ruger and the Walther. See how short grip is on that. For some reason, I don't know why, but they're both compact, but the Walther edge it out just enough where I can get a whole grip on there. But yeah, this is my Walther PDP, chambered in 9mm. Oh, before I forget, higher label. I seen your challenge, Walther versus Canic. I'm gonna hop on that challenge. Next time at the gun range, I'm gonna get on that challenge. This is the only full-size firearm that I am comfortable carrying concealed. I could never conceal this with a dude conceal this comfortable with a Glock 17, Glock 22, SIG P320. I could never be this comfortable carrying one of those full size, like I can full size carry this concealed. And this one right here will be the Springfield Echelon full size. It's clear. See, no magazine. Let's see. No bullet in the chamber. But yeah, this, if you wanted to carry a full-size striker fire firearm, this is what I would recommend anybody to carry. It is so slim. Look at that. It's ridiculous how slim that is. And like I said, I didn't even notice I was even carrying this. I know one person that will agree with me, and that's Vontae. Shout out to Vontae. But this is the Springfield Echelon. And this holds 17 plus 1, so that's 18. And then you got a extended mag that holds 21 plus 1, so that's 22. Chambered in 9mm. Only thing I've done so far besides putting this red dot on there and the TRL7X, just last week, it's been out of commission because I called myself trying to replace the guide rod spring myself. Instead of just buying one, I just bought the spring to replace it. It wasn't a good idea. So I ended up just buying the whole setup already put together, and it finally came in, and now we're back in action. And then it got the glow in the dark front sight. So those are the 10%ers of my everyday carry rotation. Sorry about that. Had to give you a little bit of water. Mouth getting dry around here. Now here come my 90%ers. So one that it's the newest one of the newest ones to my EDC rotation is the Glock 43X. Yeah, I've seen this plenty of times on my channel. The newest thing I've done to it is put that guide rod in there. I know it's copper. I got had a copper barrel for this too, but that's a whole nother story. And then I put this mag well on there. I've been having the grips, the sandpaper grip on there, and the back plate. I've done that myself. They got the crimson trace up top. I'm not too thrilled with the crimson trace red dot, but it does what it's supposed to do, and it works. So I don't like the fact that I can't turn it up or down, but it works. The red dot, it works. But this is the Glock 43X, and I do have a 15 round magazine for it and 10 rounds, and usually I'll run the 15 in here, and then I just keep one 10 round as a spare round. This is chambered in 9mm too. Right there. I don't have no comp on here, but that's what it is. The Glock 43X. This little fella right here has been the real MVP so far of my EDC of 2026. And that is the Ruger LCP Max, chambered in 380. Got the two-tone steel Nothing's in the chamber. Magazine. Nothing. Got the night sight, glow in the dark sight up front. Blackout rear sights. Got a nice texture. Very nice. Very nice. I like using this when I'm just going to the store around the corner, or just going to the barber shop. I really like using this. Easy. I got a pocket holster for it. Just throw it in my pocket. Go out with my day. Go on about my day. Comes with a 10-round magazine. They also make 12-round magazines, which I think I'm gonna get. When last time I checked, they were on back order. So, but if all I can get is a 10-round magazine, I'll take that though. It's the LCP 380 Max, the Max, because they do got LCP. I think it's LCP 2, and it only holds 6 shots. But this holds 10. And then I think they got an LCP in 22 also. And the one EDC that have been my ride or die for a long, long time. Pretty much my day one. She's been my ride or die. And I only upgraded, so. And you should know what this is. This is not a big surprise. And I know I didn't. I know I said I wasn't going in no particular order, but I gotta give the queen her due respect, and that is the M&P Shield Plus Comp, chambered at 9mm. With the O-Sight green dot SE on top. And then in the mag well, chamber is clear. And when I tell you I love this gun, I love this gun. If they tell me I gotta get rid of all my EDCs and I only can keep one, I'm gonna keep this one. It's the same size as the Glock 19, but look how thin, how slim that is. Now, I do believe it's slimmer than the 43X. Also, this thing, that grip is so lovely. So lovely. And when I put that, I usually run the 10 flush round mag in here, but when I put that 13 round mag or 15 round mag, I got a full grip, well, full purchase on it. I just love this gun right here. Love it, love it, love it. Only thing I would say about this gun, it's supposed to be the performance center. I don't too much care for the comp, especially at night, and that's probably my only problem with this gun. Shooting at night is just a big flash that you see in front of you. So yeah, that's the only thing that the Glock 43X has on this gun for me. Other than that, I love this gun. It is thinner than the 43. That grip is thinner than the 43X. on the Smith & Wesson Plus comp. A little longer, but that's all right. I'll take the length. So that does it for my EDC rotation. So my question to y'all is, do you have an EDC rotation? If not, that's fine. But I'd like to know what it is. Put in the comments for me. And I want to shout out Confidence Reloaded. She has really showed me a lot of love. And Higher Label Reviews. He's shown a lot of love towards my channel also. I want to shout those two creators out. And want to thank my subscribers for giving me the 300. My next goal is 500. But for the 300, for hitting 300, I do have a giveaway going on. So go to that video and check it out for the rules. And y'all be safe. Have a good week. Stay safe. Stay dangerous, y'all.